these are the blue lifts at Wellington Hospital, and this is sadly a last chance to see as they have started replacement of these lifts now. What's this now? 1,814 kgs or 26 persons. Tell you what, yep, the fences are up. So down we go. Hopefully we don't stop. It's sad, but it's not surprising though, as these lifts have been actually become quite unreliable now. Holy hell, the shaft lights are on. Right, let's go. Because this is a staff only floor. Right. So yeah, it will be sad to see these touch sensitives button to see the very rare touch sensitive Lexan go, but you know, it's got to be done though. Right, now I'm going to send this lift down and we'll try and get the other one. There it goes. You can see here where the other two are fenced off. Oh, the bell no longer works, sadly. Down we go. Please don't stop. Where are you going?
Back to ground.
To level 3?
Yeah.
You're at level 3. Right, there's the telephone. We go down at level 2. Go for one more ride back up to 12, I think. So, same as the other lift, 26 person or 1,814 kgs. There's not many numbers working on the floor indicator, only 6 onwards seems to be working. We are back up at level 12. You can see down the shaft. No, you can't really see too much up the shaft. Right, we'll go back to 3 and then we'll make that it. So 1,814 kgs or 26 persons, just like the last lift. Right, so then here we are back at level 3. There it goes. And that's it.